A yoga wheel allows you to target core muscles and build up strength and balance where it wasn't before. You can basically find tons of uses for it that would help you keep yourself healthy in the day-to-day anxiety-ridden environment. You don't need to put a lot of money into a good quality yoga wheel, a budget-friendly one will work just as well. You have to make sure, however, that is lightweight, of medium size. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best yoga wheels on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AccuMobility Back Stretcher. The fact that this wheel is created by a chiropractor tells you more than we could ever say with words. Don't be alarmed by its funky design. Embedded into the wheel, bumps are designed to enable you to feel the pressure in your muscles like with no other wheel. You are able to release the tension by touching the trigger points during the rolls, and we assure you that your spine will thank you for that. Glutes, arms, legs, you name it, this AccuMobility yoga wheel has got you covered. Even if you decide to roll over with it or your kids come up with the idea to jump on it, the wheel will remain safe and sound. Bring it with you to the gym or practice in the comfort of your home and the results won't leave you waiting for long. Number 2. UpCircle 7 Yoga Wheel. The title of the Master of Comfort must, hands down, be given to the yoga wheel developed by UpCircle 7, the company specializing in yoga appliances. The wheel retains its flexibility thanks to the plastic molded injection it is made of combined with the padding on its outer part. This material makes the tool sweat-proof, meaning that you can use it for a long period of time without the wheel becoming slippery. And we are certain that you will want to exploit the Dharma wheel as much as possible. Being able to carry up to 550 pounds, there is simply no way you won't be able to lay your whole body on the wheel and make the most use out of it during your yoga practice. Your friends can also join you. The wheel will securely hold 1 to 2 more people weighing less than 200 pounds. Number 3. UpCircle 7 Yoga Prop Wheel. If choosing a yoga wheel overwhelms you due to such a big variety of options available on the market, a set of 3 wheels released by UpCircle 7 is your best bet. This collection includes 3 wheels with 6, 10 and 12 inches diameter that work well with shoulders, neck, back and every body part you could think of. It is hard to reach those narrow tight spots and get rid of knots that developed as a result of the wrong posture and stress, but it doesn't have to be so. These yoga wheels are flex resistant, have thick padding and are able to withstand up to 550 pounds of weight. No more unstable poses and risky movements. The chances of you pulling your muscles with this set in use are at the minimum. Choose the wheel depending on the area you want to stretch and start stretching those muscles now. Number 4. Shogun Sports Back Circle. We all know that a California-based fitness brand means business. The state's palms and beaches lifestyle has naturally made locals incorporate healthy habits into their lives, which included yoga. The yoga wheel designed by Shogun Sports fits this scenario perfectly well. It was created for yoga enthusiasts from across the world to test their limits and add to their day-to-day static routine and active hobby. Regardless of whether you will choose a bundle consisting of 3 wheels or the one with a yoga block, the results you will get will startle you. Due to the wheel's capacity to hold up to 500 pounds, there are practically no poses you wouldn't be able to perfect. Stretching your back, chest, and hips is just as straightforward as developing your balance and attempting a headstand. The environmentally conscious material of the wheel draws the attention of a big audience, and with sustainability being the most sought-after trend, you better jump on this bandwagon too. Number 5. Suka Mat Yoga Wheel. The middle ground between the unrecyclable plastic and wood is the recyclable PC alloy, the material the manufacturers of the Suka Mat Pro series will use when creating it. The standard 12.5 by 5 inches diameter fits the majority of the people, while the TPE foam provides the desired strength needed to execute some challenging yoga poses. You will find this yoga wheel to be the sweet spot for fitting it between your shoulder blades without feeling any discomfort, and use it for enhancing your natural balance and improving your breath control. Bring it with you to the local gym or yoga studio or do a backbend at home after a long day at work. Either way, your muscle tension will be released, your shoulders and hip flexors will be opened, and you will feel energized again. After some time, you will even be able to use the wheel to assist you with crane, crow and headstands. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.